morning. Nandito po tayo ngayon sa Lake District, England. Mag-ano tayo, sasakay tayo ng boat sa cruise.
For 45 minutes.
For 45 minutes. Tapos babalik ulit dito. Napakaganda ng lugar na ito.
On the way to Glasgow.
Tapos pupunta na sa Glasgow, which is kami manananghalian, di ba?
Yeah, in Scotland.
Sa Scotland na. O sige, kita-kita tayo. Okay.
Well, you've got such a good photographic.
Thank you. Po, mga boats sa Windermere. Isa dyan ang sasakyan namin.
Want me to book the car?
Can I just leave?
Oh, yeah.
Ayan o.
Hello, welcome on board Miss Crumbia, and are designed to be released or float free in the unlikely event of an emergency. Life jackets are located in the lower saloon, under the seats and at the rear of the cabin. We do ask that passengers on the upper deck refrain from standing on the seats or leaning over the safety rail of the house at the same time. So fond of Windermere and the island was John Kerwin that he renamed the island Bella Isle after his wife, and over the years this has become Belle. Crossing the lake at this point is the Windermere car ferry, named Mallard. She pulls herself across the lake using 2 steel cables, carrying up to 15 cars and 100 passengers on the 4-minute crossing. This cuts out a road journey of 18th century as a viewing platform. The way it worked was, in each of the large windows there were 6 different colours of stained glass. 4 represented the different
In Europe, you need English, French, and decent. Yeah, they couldn't create kids. They work together every day.
see through the trees. is the Ferry House, built in 1880 as a hotel on the site of the former Ferry Inn, which has stood there since the 16th century. Opposite Ferry House is the island of Crowholme. Ingeniously, Bruce Logan, who was a former landlord of the Ferry Hotel, used the island as kennels for his hound trailing dogs. When a hunt was on, they would swim ashore, and then, whilst Mr. Logan and his friends sailed to the start of the hunt in his steam yacht Esperance, the hounds would follow, running along the shore, meeting him.
Should we call you Cap? Because we're on a boat.
Maybe.
The two islands ahead of us are collectively known as the Lilies of the Valley. Their old names of Smallholme and Ingholme are now nearly forgotten. They take their newer name from the flowers that used to grow all over them. 300 rowing boats available in Bowness. Row out with your loved one and pick them some of the flowers. Unsurprisingly, it wasn't long before the flowers were all picked out.
May mga legs na pwede silang
Alright folks, so how are some of those views?
Beautiful, relaxing.
Perfect. So we're just in the beautiful little town of Ambleside. We're going to it is all working farms and those sort of things, and just the beauty of the nature of this area and the little towns that we're driving through. So it'll take us about an hour and a half from here to get ourselves across the border into Gretna Green. It is the very first town across the border of England, Scotland. So we'll take in the views, and then I say about 15-20 minutes before our arrival, we'll tell you a little bit about the history.
I wanted to get sweeping up with someone.
There's slightly drag.
Watch.
I could tell what's in our future.
It's going to be coming up on your left-hand side. Now for those on the right-hand side of the coach, if you look to the left, you will see the people on the left-hand side of the coach looking at this house. It's just coming up on our left. There's a little planter box in front of it. So we'll just go past slowly. Here it is coming up on our left, a little bridge over the stream.
This one here.
2 stories,
This
stairs on the outside.
Did you get it?